Okay, so we're gonna jump straight into it. We're going to start with like a cup of flour with literally any spices of your choice. And I have 2 eggs that I cracked, and I'm going to beat the ish out of these eggs. Like, I'm gonna whisk them until they literally have no life. And then I just have some store-bought breadcrumbs, but you can make fresh ones if you have time. And I have these boneless, skinless thighs that I got from Checkers. And I'm just going to just wash those and then make sure to pat them dry, guys. I really, really, really stress patting your chicken dry, okay? And then this is like such a simple chicken recipe. Like, even if you didn't have the breadcrumbs, you can just use the flour as your double dipper. So dip it in the flour first, then dip it into the egg. So we dip it in the flour so it can adhere to the egg better. Then you can dip it in breadcrumbs and you leave it as that. But I'm a double dipper, and I think I do breadcrumbs because I actually like the texture that they have underneath. And then you dip it into the flour again. So you can do without the breadcrumbs, honestly. So you can just do flour, egg, and flour. But I like the texture that I get with breadcrumbs. It's more crispy. Okay, so you're gonna set your quarter pieces aside and you are going to do the rest. I should be using 2 different hands, but who cares? Like, it's my kitchen. So after that, you are going to heat up your oil to about medium to high heat, and you're gonna drop your chicken pieces, laying them away from you. Please don't burn yourself, okay? And you can use a bigger pan or pot if you want to, but honestly, like, it doesn't really matter. For me, this worked just as well, and I did it in batches. But if you use a bigger pot, you can fry a lot more at the same time. And just make sure you're constantly turning your chicken, because this is not like in a deep fryer, so you need to be turning it and making sure it's cooking evenly on both sides, okay? So I was just checking if the other one cooked at around the same time. But anyway, I'm gonna turn them. And here I actually used corn flour instead, and corn flour doesn't brown like regular flour, so it takes a while. So you need to keep your eye on that as well. And you don't want dry chicken, but because it's thighs don't really get dry. See, that one got too brown because my heat was too high, and then I managed to adjust my heat. But yeah, put them on a plate lined with paper towels and make sure to sprinkle your freshly fried chicken with salt, okay? You need to sprinkle it with salt. And then we're going to fry some more. And listen, I'm done. I'm making my mayo sauce, which is like 4 teaspoons of mayo, and then 1 teaspoon of like crushed garlic and ginger, and about half a teaspoon of dry chili flakes, and a lot of hot sauce. Like, listen, add as much hot sauce as you would like, okay? Make sure you're adding a lot of hot sauce. Mix that all together. Ooh, I love the color and the flavor of the sauce, obviously, but the color was amazing. And then add more hot sauce. Like, you're going to need the whole entire bottle if you want to. And then, yeah, and then I'm just gonna assemble my bao. So I'm gonna put sauce first, and then I'm gonna put my fried chicken, then some pickled peppers and zucchini, and as well as like some dry parsley. And then, yeah, like, literally, that is my bao. That's it. I'm gonna set it aside, and then I'm gonna assemble the others. Make sure to check my Instagram for all my food recipes. I don't usually do videos, but I decided, let me see how filming a cooking video is. And like, I just wanted to keep it very short and simple. But yeah, I've posted the bao recipe before. So if you want to make some bao buns at home and you've got time, please make sure to check that post on my Instagram. I'm gonna put the name on this video. And yeah, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you would like more detailed cooking videos and all that stuff, and if you actually want like a separate cooking channel or something. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.